Hello friends, here we will start to design Moore machine. Okay, so the first problem is we have to convert the occurrence of substring 000 into 001 substring. Okay, so for that purpose we have to draw Mealy as well as Moore machine. Okay, so we will start with the Moore machine first. So for that purpose we will take initial state as Q0. Okay, I will not include any output symbol here because I don't know what will be the output symbol for Q0 state is required. Okay, so we'll decide it later. Okay, so suppose here what they are saying, all the strings are made up of zeros and ones, and if in a given string we have consecutive three zeros, then third zero will be converted into 1. Okay, suppose means we have the string like 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, so this string will be like 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, means this is the third zero. Okay, so this is consecutive third zero, that's why this will be converted into 1. Okay, so if we have the string like 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1, okay, then this string will be converted as 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. Here third zero is not present, so this will be remain as it is. Okay, so we have to convert this given input string into the output string as following the condition: 000. In 000 the last third zero will be converted into 1. Okay, so we'll start with the drawing of Moore machine. Okay, so here we'll draw first 0. So this is my first 0, so this will be converted into 0 only. Okay, now again we require one more 0, so Q2, then this will remain as it is, so 0 will be replaced by 0. Now this is our third 0, so this will be converted into 1. Okay, now if this series will go on repeating, then means if all the strings are of zeros only, then okay, so this string will be repeated. Means if this string will be like this, then first, second, third, then fourth, fifth and sixth. So 60 will be again converted into 1. Okay, so 7th, 8th, 9th 0 will be again converted into 1. Okay, so suppose in between these, all these, suppose our string is starting with 1, then 1 should not be converted to 0. Okay, so we'll convert, or we will take the new state, that is Q4. So if our string will start with 1, then that will be converted into 1 only. Okay, if after this one we have 0 transition, then that will be going here, and this 0 will be converted into 0, and after that if consecutive 2 zeros will be there, then last 0 will be converted to 1. Okay, suppose after this 0, if we have any transition for 1, then it will go to state again Q4, and 1 will be converted to 1. Okay, so that may be the case related to this state, means after Q2 maybe 1 occur. Okay, so that 1 will be converted into again 1, or it may happen that after reading the 3 zeros, then 1 can be there, so this 1 will again converted into 1. After that, if suppose any 0 is there, then that will be converted into 0, but after this 0, if we have 2 consecutive zeros, then third 0 will be converted to 1. Okay, so if we have multiple ones, then that will be converted into 1. So this is, I think, the diagram for our required Moore machine. Okay, we'll see whether the given correct string will be converted into required string. Okay, suppose we'll take input string as 1000. Okay, so we'll see how that will be converted into this diagram. So Q0, if we supply for first input symbol is 1, then 1, if 1 is there, then that will go to state Q4, and Q4's output symbol is 1, so this will be converted into 1. Now next, at Q4 next input symbol is 0. If we have 0, then it will go to state Q1. At Q1 output symbol is 0, the next input symbol is 0, so it will go to state Q2, and Q2 is having output symbol as 0. Now next input symbol is again 0. Okay, so 0, so we'll reach to state Q3, and this will convert 0 into 1. Okay, so now here no incoming transition at state Q1, so you can put dash or you can use 0 or 1 because we don't have any incoming transition at state Q0, so you can put anything, that is either you can put a dash or 0 or 1. Okay, so if I'll put 0, then that will be the total string will be of length 5 and given string is of length 4. Okay, so if we neglect this first 0, then the output string will be 1001. Okay, so here our requirement is fulfilled, that if we have substring 000, then last 0 will be converted into 1. Okay, so means our Moore machine diagram is correct. Okay, so here you should mention all the tuples, that is Q, sigma, then triangular delta, then delta, then Q0, and last lambda. Okay, now we'll see how to draw Mealy machine for the given problem. Okay, so again the problem is what? We have to convert substring 000 to 001. Okay, so first we will start with initial state, that is Q0. Okay, so now next if we have zeros, then that will be converted into 0. Okay, so this is first 0, so first 0 will be converted to 0. Now next 0 again, that is second 0, so that will be again converted into 0. Now this will be our third 0, so that should be converted to 1. So 0 will be replaced by 1, and this will be the third state. Okay, so again if we have repetition of 3 zeros, then that will be converted into, okay, so that will come here at state Q1, and this 0 will be replaced by 0, so that would be the fourth 0, then fifth, then sixth, so 6 0 will be again converted to 1. Now 7th, 8th, 9th 0 will be again converted to 1. This will go on repeating. Okay, so this is the combination of all the zeros. If we have the string of 0 only, then 3rd, 6th, 9th, 12th, etc. zeros will be converted, means multiple of 3 zeros will be converted to 1, and the remaining zeros will remain as it is. Okay, instead of that, if we have the combination, like if we have number of ones before these zeros, then 1 will be replaced by 1. Okay, we do not bother about this 1. Okay, after if we have 1 after this 0, then that will come to here at state Q0, because that 1 will be replaced by 1. If we have again 1 after this Q2, then that should become here, that is 1 will be replaced by 1. And the same case at Q3, if we have Q1 after Q3, then that will be replaced by 1 only. Okay, means what? After this 1, if we have 3 consecutive zeros, then third will be converted to 1. Okay, so if in between these 3 zeros, if we have any 1, then that will remain as it is, unless and until it will follow the 3 consecutive zeros. The last 0 will be converted to 1. Okay, hope so. This is my final Mealy machine. Okay, now we'll see. We'll input one string. Suppose we'll input 10011 string. Okay, so we'll see what will be the output is. Okay, so at state Q0 we'll supply 1. Okay, so if 1, then output state will be again Q0. Okay, and this 1 will be replaced by 1. Now we are at state q0 only, and our input symbol is 0. Okay, so 0 will be, so this will follow this transition and will reach at state q1, and this 0 will get replaced with 0. Now next again we have third 0. Okay, so okay, now instead of this 1 we'll take one more 0. Okay, okay, so q0 0, so this 0 q0 0, q1 0, then will reach to state q2, and this 0 will be replaced by 0. Now next again we'll have one more 0 to read at state q2. So this 0 will 0 read by q2 state and will reach to state q3, and now this 0 will be replaced by 1. Sorry, this 0 will be replaced by 1. Now next input symbol is 1, so after q3 it will read 1 and will reach to state q0, and 1 will be replaced by 1. Okay, so total output string will be like 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1, and this is my input string, that is 1 0 0 1. Okay, so here 1 0 0 1 1, so third 0 is converted to 1. Okay, so our requirement is fulfilled, and this is our final Mealy machine. Again here we have to write q sigma triangular delta, then delta, then q0 and lambda. Okay, hope so you have understood this problem. If you have any queries, please comment and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.